What's going on, everybody? This is Alex, days. So I just wanted to let you know that I will be publishing a lot more videos on quality assurance topic on this channel. So today we're going to talk about interview question that actually can completely cancel your interview process. It's very common. It's asked a lot, and I'll tell you about the question and the proper answer to it. So if you're asked during the quality assurance interview, during the QA interview, how do you approach solving a problem that you don't know how to solve? Pretty much, if you respond that your very first action is go and ask a colleague or go to a manager and somehow find a solution in another person, uh, your interview is pretty much done. And the reason for that because when they're looking for a person, they look almost always look for someone self independent that can figure things out. It's absolutely okay to ask in IT world questions. It's welcome. If you need help, you ask for help. But it's also expected that QA engineers or developers will try to figure things out by themselves first. That's why there's engineer part in the profession. So the ideal response would be if you're dealing with a problem that you don't know how to deal with, the very first thing you're gonna do is you will do your own research. So you will Google, right? You will read the company internal documentation. Maybe you have some information on Confluence or any other source that your company has for internal documentation, whatever system is being used, right? The other thing that you can say, if there's no documentation available and you did your research and it's hard to find things online, then you can start working on separated problem in smaller pieces. So pretty much divide and conquer kind of a thing. So if it's a big problem, see what are the priorities, break it into smaller problems. So start working through them little by little, right? Trying to understand it. Now, if you're still blocked and you still don't know what to do, and like it's half an hour, and you have to do your job, then it's fine, and you go and ask a developer, or you ask another Q engineer. If they don't know an answer, you go and ask your manager. So you kind of escalate it. But looking for a solution for a problem or a task starts with you. Have to do your own research first. Have to read it and figure out things how they should work and what to do. Only if you're blocked for a while, you can't figure things out, then you go and ask for help. If you're going to immediately say, well, I'm presented with a problem and I'm going to go and ask someone, that really can cost you an interview. Okay.